in a building, you know, blue like the ocean, you know, man. Up and running, you know. Remember, you know, subscribe and like, and that me I tell you know, it's coming, it's coming, it's going, it's coming. We are here. You have to check in, you know. Yeah, man, we have to check in for the Barra party, you know, this summer, right here on the beach. It's in the making, the Barracuda party. Slice Barra, steam Barra, jerk Barra, grill Barra, or live Barra.
What a go on, my beautiful people. Yes, my people, good morning. Welcome back to another day. Yeah, man, another day under the sun, you know. Beautiful sunshine in the background. Yeah, man. I want to say give thanks to the Most High for life. First and foremost, guys. Yeah, man, so you know, we out here once more again, my people, about the journey out in the ocean. Go look some fish this morning. One Captain Spear. Yeah, man. Conk man, same way. Yeah, my people, you know, we are going with daily routine this morning again, you know, man. We are going for a mountain snapper hunting. Big fish. It's all about the big fish them this morning. Yeah, man, from them big, you know, they say thing them peeps. Yeah, man, so hopefully we can have a lovely catch this morning, my peeps, you know. Yeah, man. So, we are going to journey along out here now, my peeps. Yeah, man. So, I want to say just stick and stay.
Are you missing?
Oh God, man.
Are you missing, man?
Oh God, it's you. Right back inside. because look at the 360 turbo, so I can drift with him.
Oh.
Right back inside, go and give him an inside. Because time came and look up for me. So, and him a turn with me. Oh, nice to go 5 pound. Shot. Now watch it here. The fuck out of move. That's the shot to get. That's it.
call that 7 pound.
Yeah, man. See, 7 pounder.
That one there was about 6. Just 6. Yeah, man, 9 pound.
Man, we gotta get them way up, you know, my peeps. General Vibes Boss.
Up top in that building.
Omar.
Yeah.
Come late this morning, my peeps. Still finding dinner.
Only 2 pound, you know? I want 5 pound.
They say all of them still ready. Hear me? Where?
Yeah, man. The bar of Fiesta. Yeah, man, so Captain find 4 this morning. 4 nice. Omar find 2. I find 2 small one and that one, yeah. Big one.
Yeah, man, that big one, man.
Yeah, wait.
You got that one there?
Yeah, big old sitting man. What does I know? Could I reach on there? Okay, me not dive, would not have me. Me dive. I'm going to say, you me at 5 people down one time.
I mean fast, man, because I see man that time they shoot one. And I see the come and he turn back like, I mean they drop him, move back.
No, dive good, no, no. I'm still going to see every day.
About 6:30, so.
Biker.
One of there.
Yeah, man.
My man said they're going to chicken small. Oh, if you're not this week, you know, you want to tear down the boat. 130 is 25 pounds. When I bite the boat, you still cut me.
Yeah, my peep. Blessed. Yeah, my peeps. As I say, guys, it was a lovely day. Yeah, man, lovely catch today. Yeah, man, captain of the man of the day, you know. Yeah, man, victorious with 4 lovely Barracuda, my peeps, you know. Omar find 2, me find 1. Yeah, man, plus me find 4 pound of small fish, you know. Yeah, man, so tomorrow we want to change the location tomorrow. We want to pop up on a new location tomorrow, my peeps. We want to try up CLM side and swim come down. We want to take on a long swimming tomorrow, my peeps, yeah. So we want to stick and stay. Yeah, man, look out for that adventure, my peeps, you know. So until then, my peeps, yeah, man, just continue to show your support, my peeps. Wow, good. Fish them there, G&F. Captain, rest up a bit.